We're making prawn cocktail. Let's go! Prawn cocktail is a great meal idea if you prefer small meals or you don't have much time to cook. In fact, this meal will take you approximately 10 minutes to make, and I'll show you how to prepare it 3 different ways. Hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please feel free to take a look around at our other recipes, and if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new recipe. So this meal is super low in calories and carbs, and I feel like if you graze on this all day, you will certainly lose weight. If you don't really like fish, do feel free to substitute with shredded chicken. I'll also be sharing a delicious and easy recipe for seafood sauce. Let's get into the recipe now. To make 2 servings, clean 6 prawns like the one I have on the right. You might like to keep the tail on an extra one if you wish to decorate a bowl. Over a medium heat, melt 40 grams of butter and add a half teaspoon of garlic powder, then combine. Add the prawns and coat them in the butter. You will need to coat them several times while frying. When they have slight browning, turn them over and coat them in the garlic butter again. When both sides have browning, turn off the heat, remove the prawns and let them drain on a paper towel. Next, we will make a super easy and delicious seafood sauce. In a little bowl, add 1 tablespoon of tomato cooking sauce, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, a couple of drops of Tabasco and the same amount of Worcestershire sauce, then mix to combine. Now we're just going to put it all together, and I'm going to show you 3 pretty ways to assemble your prawn cocktail. The first way is using half an avocado. Yes, somehow I managed to find the world's smallest avocado. But anyway, scoop out some of the flesh to create a cavity for the rest of the ingredients. I added 10 grams of shredded lettuce, and optionally you can add the remaining avo on top of the lettuce. I just didn't have space. Then add 3 garlic prawns, a couple of teaspoons of seafood sauce, and garnish with chopped chives. If you just want to make it using a bowl, you sure can. Same as before, add shredded lettuce first, sliced avocado, then 3 garlic prawns, the seafood sauce, about 2 teaspoons, and top it off with chopped chives. And ta-da! I'm hanging a prawn with the tail off the side of the bowl. The third and my favorite way is using a lettuce leaf, and this way feels like you're eating tapas, and of course there's less wash up. Right on top the lettuce leaf, add sliced avocado, 3 garlic prawns, 2 teaspoons of seafood sauce, and garnish with chopped chives. I've just got to eat this right now. One must sample one's wares. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you get to try this lovely dish. Stay safe and be well.